BMW.
We're dragging home another orphan BMW today.
Ooh.
You know, car's been sitting for 5 years. I'm just gonna put a tire on it and drive it home and hope for the best. It's fine. It's an orphaned car. It's got to come home. Someone's got to take care of it. It's gonna be me.
I'm just glad we're not going to be in that ride home.
No, I'll do that to myself.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, we in Mommy's car. And where are we going in Mommy's car? Going to Daddy's work? Griffin, what are we doing at Daddy's work? Griffin whisper something about a BMW. Yeah, Griffin, do you see the car? Griffin, what kind of car is this? What is it?
Of course it's a BMW.
Here we are at Importa Parts. Griffin, do you like being at Daddy's work? Ellie, are there a lot of cars? You're gonna count them all? Good job. Kids love coming to Daddy's work.
Tires? What?
He said, Griffin was talking about a flat tire.
Oh, yeah.
And I didn't notice that, actually. I was like, no, they're...
Home like that.
Right.
So I gotta fix that before I can leave.
Okay, Ellie.
All right, let's see if she starts.
You want to stand by me, Ellie, in case it's loud?
It's not loud.
Oh, okay. It might be loud for her. Ooh, it started.
Yay! Let's drive it home.
Sweet.
Tires are only 10. 10 years old. I'm probably gonna have to put wheels on it before I drive it home because I don't want to have that happen while I'm cruising down the highway.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna watch your dad pull his car into his garage. And yeah, it's fine. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's bad. Anyway. See you soon. Well, here he comes. How was the drive?
It drives so good. If you ignore the battery light and the tires aren't the best.
What was causing the battery light? What was it?
I have no idea. It's either an alternator or a wiring thing or something's angry. I haven't diagnosed it whatsoever. I just verified that it's charging, which it is charging. And that gave me enough confidence to try to make it home. I was thinking about this. This is the lowest mileage car that I've ever had in my entire life.
How many miles?
41 years old. It's got 27,000 miles on it.
Okay.
And I've never had anything anywhere close to this. The second lowest mile car I ever had was, I had a 35,000 mile Miata, but it was worth too much money and I sold it. Plus it was white and I didn't want to own it when it became not white. But everything's so tight, it drives so new, it's all quiet. I'm not going to keep it. I'm not going to keep it.
Not going to keep it, are you sure?
I'm not going to keep it. I'm not going to keep it.
I'm going to hold you to that.
I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to sell it. It's going to go to somebody else. I'm going to sell it. This is a car I'm going to sell. It's going to be for sale. I'm going to sell it. I'm not going to keep it.
Okay, so you got all the wheels and tires
and original wheels and tires. Those are in the back. I grabbed an extra battery just in case. And I got some cleanup to do. This is popped off. And then the right side, I don't know if you saw the damage. It's got a bunch of damage. I don't know how far I'm going to take it. I'm definitely going to get all the paint transfer off and clean that up. We got to reattach the bumper at the front.
Looks really nice.
Yeah, it really is. Not bad for a 21-year-old car.
Nope, not bad at all.
All right, here, let's see. Will it restart? I drove it, how far away from the shop? 14 and a half miles.
14 and a half miles.
Let's see if it'll restart. I don't think it's going to restart, but it is not going to restart.
Oh.
Yep.
Well.
Deader than a nail of door. It's fine.
The important thing, though, as your car wife, are you blocking me in?
I am blocking you, and I'll get the other battery on the charger, and then I'll put the other battery in it.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay.
We get her moved. Probably should have done that on the lower driveway.
Well, it was probably darker down there. See you on the next one.